What's that, Ntokozo? Why do you keep reading South Africa was a movie in the textbooks? Well, because all these things kept happening that were so outside of the realm of what you would expect to happen in real life and only what you would imagine would happen in a movie. Was that better? Yes, exactly. Like Nathi Mthethwa's death. Exactly. And the timing of that with him being mentioned in General Mkhwanazi's commission and his background and the corruption that was there and all of the questions around how he died and where he died and all of the things that just didn't add up. And that happening the same week as it coming out about the 2 billion rand stolen from Tembisa Hospital. It was just all very, very strange. Hence, South Africa is a movie. It feels weird. Like I feel like Mark should be here, but he's still cooling off. So we'll wait for him.
Hi guys, can somebody read that comment? Guys, nabo Paris abasithembi but le story less inconsistency yaso it's not make sure. Guys, asichitheni lamanzi le kuku ayikho. Unathi Mthethwa icase yakhe asivaleni because of sisifocusele kuMadlanga Commission of Inquiry because ayikho lena. So guys, I was watching this video of this lady. She's talking in French. You can, if you want to translate the video, you can just click that thing. You want that see translation at the bottom of the video. It will translate your video in English. If ever your phone doesn't do that, then I don't know. So this lady ukhuluma nge-French uthi istory lesaka nathi asenzi isense. Like it doesn't make any sense because abanye bathi ubhubhela hotel, abanye bathi upushiwe, abanye bathi ujumpile, like akuhlangani. And if we did other thing, there's another video that I want to share to you now. Ukuthi that lady, that person is a housekeeper from the hotel. Uthi like ama skyscraper buildings. Now yale phezulu kuma windows wakhona, they are not opening. So unathi ulivule kanjani and futhi with the pearl scissor, like it doesn't make sense. You understand? Like guys, last dealing a case as a Paris, not Emabopane. Like Paris, the whole France, I'm sure Guti, the whole street is full of cameras, the whole building, that hotel skyscraper is full of cameras. When you enter the hotel, there are cameras. When you enter the lift, there are cameras. In the lobby, the cameras, hotel passage cameras. Like niyakumbula when uCharlie Kirk was unalived at USA, within 24 hours,
and if you are following the Madlanga Commission, you will remember Hori, General Mkhwanazi, when he was giving a statement, he did say, Hori, Chief of Intelligence filed a case, a criminal case. I don't remember if it was against Nathi Mthethwa or the police, whatnot, or someone within their alliance. And then Mdluli later on came to withdraw that. And then General Mkhwanazi was like, what are you doing? I don't know, I made a mistake. Now we withdraw General Mkhwanazi. Kihe Mthethwa amita to speak about matters in his house, go Tatloof. And then they then said Mkhwanazi forced the Chief of Intelligence to write that letter. That's why he doesn't want to withdraw it. Okay, feel fine.
Nathi Mthethwa's death. I'm not promoting any news outlet njengamanje, but hear me out. Yabona njengoba bebaningi abantu engazathi abakholwa ukuthi ke uNathi Mthethwa akasekho emhlabeni. Mina bengithi akekuthintweni Daily Maverick. Akuthinto Daily Maverick ngithatha ama camera nama journalist akhona beke behambe beshonele eFrance mhlambe eParis bengakwazi ukuthi ke besibuyele no double luphelele ukuthi hle ngempela kwenzakaleni. Isikhathi sanyamalele yilama chats ekuthiwa ke asuke efonini yakhe abheke kunkosikazi wakhe ukuthi athini nanokuthi ke eze edlule nje emhlabeni kwenzakaleni ingempela. Ngicabanga ukuthi akukho esingeke size ngoba when it comes to investigation, that team leave no stone unturned. trust me on that one. I'm not promoting them, I'm just saying. But ke ngicabanga ukuthi vele abantu abaningi banakho ukunganeliseki ngalolu daba, of which ke sekukhozena ne-division nje kubantu ke abaningi, ngoba abanye besho ukuthi oh guys aninalo ninozwelo, noma ukuthi umuntu ke imapha amacala bekwe wona, lo muntu unomndeni kunabantu abamthandayo, of which is very valid kakhulu, ngoba ke ukudlula komuntu emhlabeni vele akusiyona into elula, ukuthi nje kungaba yindaba ezingathokozelwa abantu abaningi. But ke abanye futhi bayasho ukuthi ke akakwazi ukuthi ke adlule emhlabeni kulesi sikhathi ngempela kufanele ukuthi ke ajeze, noma ke akwazi futhi ukuthi abe yimpendulo emibuzweni ke eminingi nje ekhona ethinta ke inkohlakalo le kulokho ekukhulunywa ngayo lapha na ke kwiMadlanga Commission. Nami nje ilokho engizicabangela khona, ngiyazi ukuthi we don't have that power, but only what we can do is to wait from ngale ke ukuthi ngempela sizothola ama details aphelele ukuthi ke kwenzakaleni, ingabe ngempela lokho abasitshela kona kuyiqiniso, uma futhi kuyiqiniso kuze kanjani. We want all the details, not just a report ukuthi oh kwenzeke 1 2 3. Sicela ama details aphelele nje futhi adlali.
Imadoda khani hambe niyochekisa la mzimba uba ukhona na nyani, niubonele nomzimba, niubona ba nguye nyani na. Can anyone go and verify who is in France here that is not one of these lama mene andizubiza mbutho against out politicians? Weke uswelekile, sorry, andizutsho noba good riddance, that is wrong. We can't speak ill of the dead, but we need someone to go verify. I'm sorry if I am insensitive. However, as the nation, we are concerned. We are very much aware of their criminality. We are very much aware of their shenanigans. We have been Gavin Watsoned yet again, allegedly. Can someone, we can't trust the Department of International Relations and anyone, can someone please verify if that man is indeed dead?
Anyway, guys, South Africa, it's a movie. For those who don't know what is going on, a South Africa ambassador to France, Nathi Mthethwa, was expected to be called by the Madlala Commission of Inquiry, which is currently hearing testimony about the interference of the senior government officials and politicians into police work. Nathi, a former police and sports, art and culture minister, was found dead at the hotel in Paris. So guys, the people are currently reacting to the current situation here. Nathi Mthethwa, although the commission had not yet confirmed whether he was on the list of those who expected to give testimony, he was expected to given a right to reply after he was mentioned in the testimony by KwaZulu-Natal Provincial Commissioner General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. So guys, on Twitter, people are saying, we need to be honest about Nathi Mthethwa. Therefore, he could have appeared on Madlala Commission. Nathi Mthethwa was a minister of police not long ago. Jiggy, there is Madlala Commission. Jiggy, he's dead. So people are saying a lot of stuff. We need to prove that Nathi Mthethwa is really dead or doing Gavin Watson on us. So people are saying a lot of stuff with that. General Mkhwanazi alleged during the Madlala Commission on his testimony, the former minister of police Nathi Mthethwa was forced from crime intelligence bosses to withdraw the case against Richard Mudluli. 2 weeks later, Nathi Mthethwa, he is normal. So people are saying a lot of stuff, saying, no, we need to prove. We understand the family is currently going through a lot. So South Africa, it's a movie. A lot of things have been happening, guys. Not long ago, people were talking about a rapture, guys. People saying about a rapture, it will happen on 23 of September. Guys, there's a lot happening this month, September. Now we are on October. People are still talking about a rapture, saying it will happen this week, this coming week, guys. About South Africa, you need to have a strong heart, because guys, it's not for the weak in South Africa, because a lot of things are happening every day. So it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.